So basically, it's like the same layout, just some different turns.
Same layout.
Jump. Well, like it's going like the same way, and it kind of like looks the same. But like there's way different jumps. So you could hit right there. It's gonna be a flat part right here, and then there's that triple turn, wall. There's a little single over there. And you got that double right there. That's really goes up. And then you turn. You hit this thing, which will be. I'll hit that thing probably first. This thing will be like the easiest to hit.
That's your first jump?
Yeah. And then I'll turn. And then I'll ski jump. There's a ski jump right there. Not really, it's not a, well, it's basically a ski jump now. It's this little rut thing we did. Jump. Yeah, I didn't do anything to the dump truck. Wait, is it the second biggest jump here?
Somewhere in there.
Second, third.
It's actually in the middle now. Our biggest jump is now in the middle of our jump.
It is? The middle? Or the
No, it's probably like the middle size of them. We have bigger ones now.
Yeah. So this is like one of our, we'll just say it's one of our smallest ones. So you hit the dump truck, and then you go, you turn and hit this. This is a ski jump. Now this is a ski jump. That back there is supposed to be a truck. This is a ski.
We don't have to walk up the hill because I don't want to.
No. Just go up the hill, turn, hit that. You could zoom in on it, huh? Just zoom in.
Yeah, because you can go up the hill, you hit the bluff, hit a couple last turns, and then you make your way back down.
And then you bank off of this.
Then you bank off this guy.
And you hit 6 commandments.
We make our own stuff up here.
4 doubles. Well, I tried to have stinking 10, but we ran out of room and dirt.
And time.
Nothing.
This is by far the
Easiest jumps.
Luke's favorite part of the track.
Definitely. This one. This is the only one I'm like, really like.
You say you're scared again, I'm going to make you put your gear on right now and hit it.
That'd be fun. There's water and I'll hit them.
Alright, well when I get home from work, let's go so I can go get to work. And as soon as I get home, we'll...
And then you double this and then you double that. And then the biggest jump here is coming up. You know how I used to have, the double doubles? The wimpy double doubles? Well now, I have to come around this corner third and probably hit 4 to hit this monster right here. It's basically the 2 doubles smashed together.
And a whole lot more.
And a whole lot more. Oh, it's stuck. Wow, that's hard to pack.
I told you.
That's really hard.
I packed everything real hard. So it wouldn't break down. So this is our biggest jump. It's about 60 feet. So triple.